This is Samsung Galaxy F54, and today I'll show how you can copy your contacts from SIM card to device's internal storage on this phone. So it is an insanely simple and quick thing to do. You will need to first open the phone, then contacts. Here tap at these three dots, then select the Manage Contacts option. Here at the Manage Contacts list, go for the Export Contacts. Then here from select Import Contacts probably. Yep. So here firstly select the SIM card you would like to move those contacts from or import those contacts from. Then select what contacts you would like to, copy or export, or you can just select all if needed. Then select the phone option here in the to direction, then tap at the import button, and here you have it. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.